Hey there, welcome to the GoPro booth at NAB Show 2026. We're here showing off our new compact cinematic camera system, the Mission 1 series. These are our new compact cinematic camera system, the Mission 1 series. So there's actually 3 cameras. I have 2 of them in my hand. I have our new flagship, Mission 1 Pro, and then our new interchangeable lens camera, Mission 1 Pro ILS, which stands for Interchangeable Lens System. These are some really special cameras. All 3 cameras in the lineup, so Mission 1 Pro, and Mission 1 Pro ILS, all feature the same kind of core foundational technology and features. So that includes a full 1-inch sensor that's 50 megapixels, but the best thing about it is it can be captured in quad Bayer mode, so you're actually binning down to 12 megapixels for incredible low light, the best low light ever from a GoPro, and we think some of the best ever made in a camera this small. The other amazing thing about a 50 megapixel sensor, and one that you can bin down to 12 megapixels, is for photographers, you don't really have to choose. You can have that incredible low light after dark, or capture those stunning high resolution images at that full 50 megapixels, even in RAW. Another really amazing thing about these new cameras is they can shoot at 960 frames per second at 1080p. That is thousands of dollars cheaper than the next camera system that can do the same. And one of the best things that I know our customers are really going to be excited about is run times and thermal performance. These cameras can last up to 5 hours on a single battery charge, and that battery is still compatible with our older cameras. Similarly, thermal shutdowns are really a concern of the past. Even recording at 8K 30, you're never going to hit a thermal runtime problem, even if the camera has no airflow just sitting on a desk or in a studio environment. These cameras are really incredible. We think they are the most capable, smallest cinematic cameras ever created. And I will just highlight before we wrap up here, our interchangeable lens camera, ILS. This has a integrated micro four thirds mount on the camera system. So what that allows is obviously you to be able to control your image much more creative way than ever before from a GoPro. So you have over 300 compatible micro four thirds lenses on the market, but as we all know, micro four thirds is so easily adaptable to other lens standards. We've even shot with PL lenses on a camera system this small, so it's really special. The other incredible thing is it has hyper smooth image stabilization in the camera, so even when you're handheld shooting, you're still going to have a really solid shot. And then you have focus peaking and magnification on the back, so if you're someone who really enjoys shooting photos with vintage glass, this is going to be an awesome camera to pair with. So this camera is a fully manual camera, and the reason for that is ultimately this is a cinematic camera. It's a cinema camera, and as we know, all the professionals on a real set are looking to pull their own focus. The beauty of a system like this is you can easily adapt it, so you can add a follow focus onto this to be able to pull focus. The advantage of having focus peaking on the rear screen, and you can even attach whether your phone and use that as a on-screen monitor or another monitor, is you can really easily pull focus on this camera system. And because it has image stabilization, you can reasonably handhold a system like this. Our early testers and people who have been using it haven't really complained about the lack of autofocus at all, and they're actually really, really stoked about that kind of full manual creative control that you get with this new camera system. All of our cameras have the ability to have timecode built in, so you can control that timecode through the GoPro app. Or if you'd prefer, we have a new media mod for this, which actually has a dedicated timecode input. So you can sync this camera with any other cameras on your set to make sure that everything has the same timecode. And then from another audio perspective, what's really special about these new cameras is they have 32-bit float audio built in. So if you're just using the camera as is, you're going to be able to have incredible audio that it will never peak. Or if you're looking for a little bit of a more impressive audio performance, we have our new media mod. That's the one that allows the timecode input, and that also has a 3-mic array on top that allows you to control the pickup pattern and even features a dead cat. So if you're vlogging or shooting another subject, you're going to get really good audio from that system. this new camera system is, despite it being, really for professionals and people who are incredibly interested in getting that cinematic content, it doesn't abandon our GoPro DNA. So it's still rugged and durable, and it's still waterproof. And something we did for this new camera system is it's actually waterproof to 20 meters. So that's 10 meters more than our previous flagship camera, Hero 13 Black. And what that allows you to do is be able to just dive deeper without having to worry about a housing. Now, let's say you're someone who actually dives even more than 20 meters, 66 feet. We have a solution for that. It's called our protective housing. That'll take you down to almost 200 feet under the water. So for anyone who's diving the deepest depths, that'll have you really covered. This is still a durable camera body. The beauty of our ILS camera and our Mission and Mission 1 Pro camera is it's the same body, so that body is natively completely waterproof. Obviously, a camera mount, the Micro Four Thirds mount is not waterproof, but we are considering it weatherproof. So if you did want to take this under the water, like any other kind of interchangeable lens camera, you need to put it in a housing to be able to go dive deep. But some rain, some snow, I wouldn't worry about it with this camera system. It's fairly weatherproof, and you could even take this body and submerge the entire body and just keep the lens out of the water. If you're a professional, you're probably going to be working on the desktop, but we find that a lot of our pro users still occasionally, when they're on set, want to transfer a quick clip to their phone to be able to edit it, share it with, a producer back home or the team back home. So these cameras are fully compatible with our Quick app, the GoPro Quick app, and we do have a GoPro subscription. And one of the best things about that system is it allows you to plug the camera in, and the camera will automatically upload all of your content to the GoPro cloud. And what that allows is, you can edit in the cloud, and you don't have to worry about having large 8K files on your phone or really high frame rate files on your phone. It keeps your phone storage free, and you can still have all that control you need over the content. Really kind of a nice feature, especially if you're someone even working in the pro space who is a desktop first kind of user. These cameras, or all three of these cameras, offer 10-bit color and can shoot in our log profile, GP Log 2. So that's actually a revision from our original log profile, GP Log, which allows you to have that full creative control in the color grade to either match the other cameras that you're shooting with or just kind of give it that own look that you really are looking for. We provide technical LUTs, so you can convert the footage to both rec profiles that you would like to, or obviously for a lot of users, they just want to get in there and create their own LUTs for these cameras. They are super capable from that perspective. The other thing I'll mention just from a performance standpoint when it comes to things like color and just general image quality is these cameras shoot up to 240 megabits per second on stock firmware, and even up to 300 using our beta program GoPro Labs firmware. Super capable for those true professional users. We are selling, available for pre-order today, Mission 1 and this camera, Mission 1 Pro. Mission 1 starts at $499 if you have a GoPro subscription, or $599 if you're a new customer. Mission 1 Pro is $599 with a GoPro subscription, or $699 if you're a new customer. The interchangeable lens camera will be the exact same, so that's $699 if you're a new customer, $599 if you're an existing GoPro subscriber. We wanted to make sure the price stayed the same between the two models. We have 3 other models as well that are coming soon. So our grip edition, which is actually this camera, features our point and shoot grip. That'll be available for $799. And then we have our Creator Edition and Ultimate Creator Edition, which are both coming in Q3 along with this camera. So to recap, Mission 1 and Mission 1 Pro available for pre-order today. Mission 1 Pro ILS coming in Q3. We're really excited about it.